Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you how to repost someone else's Instagram story to be our own. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and your Instagram account, and whenever you are already open it, make sure that you are jump into the home section. In this home section, you just need to go into this part or in the DM sections. And whenever you go there will be a notification that someone mentions you into their story. You just need to open it and you can check either the post is correct or not. And whenever the story that you want to repost is just correct, you just need to go click add to your story, and you can also adjusting the size. If you want to make this story like fulfilling all of your screen, you just need to click it so that it will be like fulfilling all of the screen. You can also add another text by click this part, or you can also add the stickers or GIF by go this part. And you just need to go jump into the GIF and you just need to find what GIF that you want to add. For example, love, symbolic, and you just need to find what GIF that you want. For example, this part, and you can also adjust in the positions. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click add to your story. So let's go check either it's already posted or not. So you just need to wait until it's successfully uploaded into your story. So that's the way how to repost Instagram story on your Instagram account. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.